Hey everyone, I got a request for the inverted braid but fishtail style, so here it is. So you're going to start the same way as the regular inverted braid by bringing all your hair to the front. You want to make sure it's pretty even on both sides. So let me just move a little bit of hair over. Here we go. Alright, so you want to make sure both sides are pretty even. And you're going to start once again by just taking a little bit from the front on each side. Now this time we're going to keep the two sections, because with fishtail braiding you only have two sections instead of three. And the difference between this and the regular fishtail braiding is that instead of going over, you're going to be going under with a piece of hair. So we've got our two pieces to start. So we're going to take a piece from the top of this side and we're going to bring it underneath and over to join it with that side. See it over here? And then while we do that, we're going to take a little piece from this hair over here and join it in as well. Right? Now, and remember, as you're doing this, you want to keep your hair loose enough that it can go up and over your chin. Alright, so now we're going to take a piece from the front of this side. Got a piece from the front. We're going to go around the back and join it over to that right side over there. And as we do that, we're going to grab a piece from over here and join that as well. So there we go. Now back to this side. Take a piece from the front. Bring it around to the back. And join in a section from over here. Now would be a good time to stop and check to make sure that it's loose enough to go over your chin. So take a piece from the top, go around the back, join it over here, and add in a side piece. There we go. You want to make sure that each time you're pulling it tight. So see how those pieces are all tight? And we're just going to keep doing that back and forth. Back and forth. So you grab from the top, around the back, and join, and you add in a piece. Join to the back. Make sure these pieces that you're grabbing on either side are about the same size, otherwise your braid will look a little uneven. Now, it depends on how long your hair is. My hair is pretty long, so I can take pretty small sections from the side to keep the braid going longer. But if your hair is a little bit shorter, you want to take larger sections. That way you don't get to the end of the braid before you got all your hair in. You're going to start to see that fishtail braid on this side too. Because this side, once you flip the hair over, will actually be the underside, so you won't see this. Now that I'm getting down to the end, you want to make sure that you're still about even on both sides. So that way your braid doesn't end up lopsided. When you grab that last section of hair, you want to feel all the way to the back to make sure there aren't any stray hairs that you missed. So, check from all the way back here. There we go. Alright, now you can either tie it off here or you can keep fishtail braiding. And so to do that, you're just going to take a piece from the top, go around, under, to the other side. Take a piece from the top, bring it around, under, to the other side. And these pieces that you're grabbing, you want them to be about even. Tie it off here because I'm pretty close to the end. Alright, so now you're going to loosen it from under your chin. Reach under here, make sure it's not caught on your ears. Alright, you're going to take it, you're going to bring it up over your head and flip it. You just want to arrange those hairs to make sure they're falling nicely into place. You can either leave it like this, or you can take the end of this braid, you can fold it under, and use some bobby pins to keep it in place. Drop it down, there's no little tail at the bottom. There you go.